Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to Bluetooth. First, make sure your headset has enough battery power before you begin. Then, locate the power button on the left ear cup. Press and hold it until the headset turns on. You should hear the startup sound, which means the headset is ready. Next, check the indicator light on the headset. If the light is green, it means the headset is in 2.4 GHz wireless mode. To switch to Bluetooth mode, press the quick switch or mode button once. The indicator light should turn blue, showing that Bluetooth mode is now active. After that, find the Bluetooth multifunction button or Bluetooth button. Press and hold this button until you hear the voice prompt saying, "Pairing Bluetooth." The LED light will start blinking quickly, which means the headset is now in pairing mode. Now, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or PC. Wait for the list of available devices to load. Look for Stealth 600 in the list and select it to connect. Once the connection is complete, your headset will be ready to use through Bluetooth. Thanks for watching.